Large, open pores making your skin look rough and uneven? What if I told you there's a natural way to tighten them using simple ingredients lying around in your kitchen? No fancy products, no chemicals, just real remedies with real results. Let's explore the most effective solutions to minimize your pores and bring back that flawless glow. Starting right now. Before diving into the remedies, let's talk about what causes open pores. Your pores are essential. They release sweat and oil to protect your skin. But factors like excess oil production, dirt buildup, sun exposure, or even aging can make these pores appear larger. Think of it like this. When your skin produces too much oil, it stretches the pore walls, making them more visible. Add environmental pollutants, and your pores can get clogged with dirt, leading to blackheads and acne. The good news? You don't need expensive products or treatments to fix this. With a few simple remedies, you can tighten those pores and get smoother, healthier-looking skin naturally. Let's start with the quickest fix: ice cubes. The cooling effect of ice reduces inflammation, tightens your skin, and instantly minimizes the appearance of large pores. Here's how you can do it. Wrap an ice cube in a thin, clean cloth. Gently massage it across your face in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pay extra attention to areas with larger pores like your cheeks and nose. To take it up a notch, freeze green tea or cucumber juice instead of plain water. Green tea has antioxidants that fight damage, and cucumber juice is naturally hydrating and soothing. This remedy is perfect to use before applying makeup. It tightens your pores and creates a smooth canvas for your foundation. Next up is one of nature's best remedies for pore tightening: tomato pulp. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair skin damage. The natural acids in tomatoes balance your skin's oil levels while working as an astringent to shrink your pores. Here's how to use it. Take a ripe tomato, mash it into a pulp, and apply it evenly to your face like a mask. Leave it on for 15 minutes to allow the natural acids to penetrate your skin. Rinse it off with cool water. If your skin feels dry after rinsing, don't worry. Just follow up with a light moisturizer. To supercharge this remedy, mix the tomato pulp with a teaspoon of honey. Honey adds hydration while the tomato works its pore-tightening magic. The third remedy on our list is the superstar of natural skincare, aloe vera gel. This miracle plant is loaded with vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that deeply hydrate your skin, reduce inflammation, and tighten pores over time. Here's how you can use aloe vera. Scoop out fresh aloe vera gel directly from the leaf, or use a high-quality, chemical-free store-bought version. Massage it into your skin in circular motions, letting it absorb completely. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. If you want a cooling effect, store the gel in the refrigerator before applying it. This remedy works wonders for not just open pores, but also for calming redness and irritation. Use it daily, and your skin will thank you. The final remedy combines two powerhouse ingredients: honey and lemon. Honey is a natural moisturizer that locks in hydration, while lemon's vitamin C brightens your skin and works as a natural exfoliant to clear out clogged pores. Here's how you can use them together. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding sensitive areas like your eyes. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes and rinse with cool water. This mask not only tightens your pores, but also lightens blemishes, giving your skin an overall brighter, smoother look. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the lemon juice with honey or skip it entirely to avoid irritation. These remedies work beautifully when used consistently, but to really maximize the results, here are some extra tips for long-term pore care. Cleanse twice a day. Wash your face morning and night to remove dirt, oil, and makeup that clog pores. Exfoliate weekly. Use a gentle exfoliator to slough off dead skin cells, but limit it to once or twice a week to avoid overscrubbing. Hydrate inside and out. Drink plenty of water and use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Sunscreen is a must. UV rays damage collagen, making pores appear larger. Protect your skin with SPF every single day, rain or shine. Healthy diet. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green vegetables to nourish your skin from within. Large pores don't have to be a lifelong struggle. With these simple, natural remedies and consistent care, you can shrink those pores, smoothen your skin, and restore its radiant glow. Now it's your turn. Which remedy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs it. Remember, natural solutions take time, but they deliver long-lasting results. So stick with it and trust the process. Until next time, take care, stay glowing, and keep loving your skin.